Okay, so when you start your car, oftentimes there's the auto start stop that it turns on by default so that when you are at a stop sign or a stoplight, the engine turns off. There's actually a feature on the ThinkCar because it can do the special functions, the hidden functions. So we can use that to set this so that it's always off. So we'll see how to do that.
Any car modifications can be risky, so please pause and read this disclaimer before continuing to watch. Note that it's always recommended to connect a proper power supply when coding any control modules. This is to make sure power isn't cut unexpectedly for any reasons. One example is a weak car battery. In those cases, you could damage your control module permanently.
Hidden modifications.
Be aware that turning this feature off permanently could make your car not road legal, so you take all the risks when doing this.
And I want to back up the setting. I can recover as well, but I'm going to go and change it to off and then write code. Yes. So now it's in off position. Have to wait a bit. Switch on ignition. Code has been carried out.
Turn the car off and take the key out for a minute. Then start the car and test. That's all there is to it.